In this video, we'll cover how to integrate GrooveFunnels with AWeber and give you a quick explanation of AWeber to help you decide if it's the right email marketing tool for your business. Stick around till the end because not only will we show you the integration process, but we'll also mention some top alternatives you might want to consider, especially if you're after more robust features for your email marketing needs. Let's dive into the first thing you need to know when integrating GrooveFunnels with AWeber. The process is pretty straightforward, but you'll need an AWeber account first. Once you've signed up, you can log into your GrooveFunnels account and head over to the integration section. You'll be looking for AWeber under the email category. From there, you'll need to enter your AWeber API key to establish the connection. Next thing to note, once you've connected AWeber to GrooveFunnels, you can start using it to send out emails from your Groove pages, funnels, and forms. This integration works well for automating your email campaigns directly through GrooveFunnels, which is a huge time saver. However, AWeber's user interface can feel a little dated compared to some other tools out there. It's functional, but it's not the most modern or intuitive platform. The fourth thing we should mention is that AWeber is a solid tool for basic email marketing. It's great for getting started, especially if you have a smaller list or if you're new to email marketing. But once you scale up, you might find that AWeber's advanced automation features are lacking compared to some competitors. For example, while it offers good deliverability and segmentation, it's not the best when it comes to more complex workflows or integrations with other platforms. Now, here's a quick breakdown of the benefits of GrooveFunnels and AWeber together. GrooveFunnels lets you create landing pages, sales funnels, and websites, all with ease. And AWeber, once integrated, takes care of the email marketing side, handling your newsletters, email sequences, and automated messages. So, it's great if you're looking for a simple, user-friendly setup. But here's the catch: if you need more advanced features, like high-level automation or detailed reporting, both GrooveFunnels and AWeber could fall short. Now for the open loop, you might be wondering if there's a better option out there. Well, there are several alternatives that offer more flexibility, especially if your goal is to build more sophisticated campaigns or scale your business. These tools often come with more robust features and better integration options, and we'll get into those in just a moment. But before we go there, let's wrap up this integration process. After entering your AWeber API key into GrooveFunnels, you're all set. You can now start building your email list through GrooveFunnels and use AWeber to manage it. Just make sure you test the connection first to make sure everything's syncing up correctly before you launch your campaigns. Now, before we close this video, remember that through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial to GrooveFunnels and AWeber. But here's the twist: if you're looking for a tool that offers more value for your specific needs, we've also recommended some amazing alternatives that have a free trial too. These alternatives are a lot more powerful in terms of features for the goal of email marketing integration, and you'll want to check them out if you're looking to scale or need more advanced functionality. Make sure to grab the best free trial deals through our link for exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.